Title of the story: Chidiya's Jackfruit Home. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little bird named Chidiya. She loved singing and flying around. One day, she found a big, hollow jackfruit lying under a tree. "This will make a perfect home," Chidiya chirped happily. She cleaned it up and built a cozy nest inside. Soon, she laid her eggs and waited for her little chicks to hatch. One evening, a storm rolled in. The wind howled, and rain poured down. Many animals scurried for shelter, but Chidiya and her eggs stayed safe and dry inside the strong jackfruit. When the storm ended, her friends, the squirrel and the rabbit, came by. "Chidiya, your jackfruit home saved you," they said. Chidiya smiled. "A strong and safe home is the best shelter." Moral: prepare a safe place for yourself and your loved ones, and you will stay protected in tough times.